Hello, this is lecture 15, 6th sem, Maths 1, Unit 1, differential equations by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So in lecture 14 we discussed a few problems. That is only the one problem, of course, solved by inspection method. In lecture 15 we can see a few more problems based on inspection method. Second problem, verify the condition of integrability. Verify the condition of integrability. Verify the condition of integrability and solve yz dx plus 2zx dy minus 3xy dz is equal to 0. Right. Solution. Given yz dx plus 2zx dy minus 3xy dz is equal to 0. So take this as equation 1. And this problem is asked in examination 2018. So let us take this problem, a small one problem, 2. First problem, into first problem. One is of the form p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0. Implies p is equal to yz, q is equal to 2zx, r is equal to minus 3xy. Next, condition of integrability. Condition of integrability. The condition is p into pqr dou q minus dou r. So r means now it is dou z, q means y, plus q into q or p. So dou r minus pqr qrp. This is p is now dou x, this is r is dou z, plus r into qrp. Next rpq, r into p is dou p minus dou q. Here is q means y, p means dou x is equal to 0. This implies yz into, because p into dou q by dou z, this is there, it is 2x, plus dou r by dou y. Dou r by dou y is minus 3x, it is minus of minus is plus, plus q is 2zx into dou r by dou x, it is minus 3y, minus dou p by dou z, it is y, plus r means minus 3xy into dou p by dou y is z minus dou q by dou x, it is minus 2z is equal to 0, implies it is total is 5xyz, and next it is minus 4, so that this is 4 into 2 is 8 xyz, and here is minus z, so that minus into minus is plus 3xyz is equal to 0. So implies 0 is equal to 0. So condition of integrability is satisfied. So one is integrable, one is integrable, so that by rearranging the terms in this method, we can arrange the terms and can be solved. Now one implies yz dx plus 2zx dy minus 3xy dz is equal to 0. Divide each term by xyz on both sides. So the one implies 1 by x dx plus 2 by y dy minus 3 by z dz. So which can be easily integrable. Integrating log x plus 2 log y minus 3 log z is equal to log c. This implies xy square divided by z cube is equal to c, or xy square is equal to cz cube, which is the required solution. Of 1. So this can be easily integrable. So take the second problem in this small 2 problem. Test the condition of integrability. Test the condition of integrability. Test the condition of integrability of 3y dx minus of z minus 3y of dy plus x dz is equal to 0. So this is the problem asked in 2019. Just verify the condition of integrability. It is for 2 marks. 2 marks question. So that just we verify the condition of integrability. So solution: given 3y dx minus of z minus 3y of dy plus x dz is equal to 0, take this as equation 1. So one is of the form p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0, implies p is equal to 3y, q is equal to minus of z minus 3y comma r is equal to x. So condition of integrability. So this you can remember always. This can be remember always, the condition of integrability. So it is P into dou Q minus it is dou R, PQR. So that R differential is Z. So that dou Q by dou Z, Q differential is dou Y, plus Q into QRP, dou R minus dou P. It is P differential is dou X minus R differential is dou Z, plus R into, so QRP, next RPQ, dou P minus dou Q, Q differential is Y, so dou Y minus P differential is X, dou X is equal to 0. This implies P is now 3Y into dou Q by dou Z. Dou Q by dou Z is minus 1 minus dou R by dou Y is 0, plus, sorry, this is plus minus of Z into, sorry, Z minus 3Y into dou R by dou X. Dou R by dou X is 1 minus dou P by dou Z. Dou P by dou Z is 0, plus R is now X into dou P by dou Y is 3 minus dou Q by dou X. Dou Q by dou X is dou Q by dou X is 0. There is no X in that, implies is equal to 0. This implies minus 3Y, it is minus Z plus 3Y plus 3X is equal to 0. So this implies minus 3Y plus 3Y cancel, minus Z plus 3X. So not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 by checking. So condition of integrability, condition of integrability, integrability, condition of integrability, condition of integrability is not satisfied, is not satisfied. So that therefore 1 is not integrable. 1 is not integrable. 1 is not integrable. So third problem into test the condition of integrability. Test the condition of integrability. YZ dx minus 2xz dy plus xy minus 2y cube dz is equal to 0. So this is the problem asked in 2020. Only test the condition of integrability. It is also for 2 marks. So let us verify the condition of integrability. Solution. Given yz dx minus 2xz dy plus xy minus 2y cube of dz is equal to 0. So take this as equation 1. One is of the form p dx plus q dy plus r dz is equal to 0, implies p is equal to yz, comma q is equal to minus 2xz comma r is equal to xy minus 2y cube. Next, condition of integrability. Condition of integrability: p into dou q pqr. So r differential is z, dou q by dou z minus q differential is dou y, plus q into qrp. This is dou x, this is dou z. Right, p into dou q by dou z minus dou r by dou y, plus q into dou r by dou x minus dou p by dou z, plus r pq. R into p means dou p dou q, whereas cross differential is q differential is y, dou y minus p differential is dou x is equal to 0. Implies p is now yz into dou q by dou z. So dou q by dou z is minus 2x, minus dou r by dou y is x minus 6y square. This is all minus 2x minus of 6y square, plus q means minus 2xz into dou r by dou x is y, minus dou p by dou z is y, plus r into xy minus 2y cube into dou p by dou y is z, minus dou q by dou x is minus 2z, is minus of minus is plus 2z is equal to 0. Implies yz into minus 3x plus 6y square, plus, so yy is to be cancelled, this term is 0, plus xy minus 2y cube into 3z is equal to 0. This implies minus 3xyz plus 6y cube z, here is plus 3xyz minus 6y cube z is equal to 0. So this one cancel, and also plus 6y cube z minus 6y cube z cancel. This implies 0 is equal to 0. Condition of integrability. Condition of integrability is satisfied. So that one is integrable. So this is the way to verify the condition of integrability, and in few problems of integrability we can find the solution of the given differential equation in this method, that is by inspection method, by regrouping the terms. So let us see a few more problems in the coming lecture. Thank you very much.